Hello my friends, my name is Artem Voronov, I'm a lighting designer and lighting design teacher. And today I'm going to show you how to make doors and windows in DIALux EVO in a fast and proper way. Okay, in the previous tutorial we imported the DWG file and we built our room. So here we have two rooms. So this is our one room and this is another room, this is bathroom. So if you want to see our previous tutorials, I'm gonna put a link down below to our playlist. So in this tutorial we're gonna put these two doors and two windows, one window here and one window here. So how to do it fast, in a fast and proper way. So let's go down, and here we have this button and we can select door, window or any window we have in our library. So here we have a huge standard library for our project. So I use this door, standard door, so I click here, left button, and then I drag my door here. Wait a little, and this is my door. Then I use this scale tool to size it and to size that and to have that side that I want. So okay, and let's rotate it. So I use this rotation tool, so this button here and this point here, and what you see here, you have positioning. So these are parameters which you can manually change. So let's put here 90 degrees, enter, and we have our door for 90 degrees here. So let's go to the 3D rendering and see how it looks like. It looks like this. We can go down. This is our door. So let's go to top view and let's put another door. So drag and drop here and then move scale, use scale tool. So we should scale it to this size. Here you can change the height of your door. We have the standard 2 meter, but we can change it for any size we want. For example, for 1.5, 1.7, wherever we use it. So I usually use this default 2 meter height. Okay, let's move forward and let's make our window. Let's click select, and here is our window standard. Click on it and let's drag and drop it from here to our model, and then use the scale tool to move it. Use F7 so to hide your drawing. It is very convenient. What I actually like here, I'm afraid of some mistakes with geometry, so that's why I don't scale it to this size. So I usually prefer to have some space here in advance. So then we can move it here, and then you see our window. We can move it down and up also from our drawing, or we can use our dimension window and our positioning window. So what we have here, we have our sill height. So this is our size from floor to our window. Let's put here 0, and our height will be 1.7 meters. And well, what I actually use here with windows also, I use frame width with 0.05. So this is very thin size, and I like how it looks like in our calculation. So okay, let's go to floor plan and let's click Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. We just copied our window, so then we use move tool. So use the red arrow here and let's put it right here. Use the scale tool. So, and this we have absolutely the same window like this, but we have another position of it. So, and then click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and let's use our scale tool here and here. Okay, so and here we have our second window. So, and this all to make your doors and windows in the fast and proper way and not to make any kind of mistake. In the next tutorial we're going to discuss you how to make ceilings. Ceilings are very important for our lighting design and for our lighting fixtures arrangement. Thank you for watching, give a thumbs up, click the bell icon not to miss our new videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment what topic about lighting design you are interested in to see in our new videos. Ciao!